Jam. No, they're just these.
Yeah. It's hitting into the corners.
Let me see if I can get a picture of that.
This is the PTU?
Take a picture. I guess I'm sending it back.
So it doesn't like 3 of them.
Yeah, these aren't even the 147s. These are 115s. Look at our 115. 124. Same problem.
Yeah. It's getting in there, but it comes at too much of an angle. This seems to be the worst one out of all.
No, they were bad. This is here have both control, the gold dots have both control, the freaking.
Yeah, these are doing the same thing over and over. It's definitely not going to finish this mag off easy.
It was doing good for a little bit, then it just
Got dirty.
That one almost went in.
maybe the trigger didn't reset though.
So it liked the first couple of rounds, but not these last
I like the
three.
Hornady and the last one. Fine. I like the Beach Crown was fine.